Si Angel, nag-start siya bilang isang agent. So, nirefer siya ng isa sa mga college classmate niya na isa ring empleyado dito sa SP Madrid. And yung determination niya and hard work niya sa trabaho quickly showed yung leadership potential niya. True enough na yung capabilities niya, bilis siyang na-recognize at binigyan siya ng first leadership role as a team leader.
She is very strict pagdating sa mga disiplina. Attendance, mga lates. She hate lates and absences. Masyado siyang pihikan pagdating sa mga makakatrabaho niya. Gusto niya, as in, sobrang hardworking. Yan. Very dedicated sa trabaho.
It was the last quarter of 2022 when we decided to double down on field repo operations. And immediately, ang unang pumasok sa isip namin to lead the entire group is si Angel.
So, tinawagan ko, hindi ako nagdalawang isip, tinawagan ko kagad si Angel. Sabi ko, in-offer ko, Angel, gusto mo ba ng pera? Wala siyang ka-doubt-doubt na nagsabi, oo naman, nasa na ba yan? So, doon nag-start talaga yung repo team.
So, I've known Angel since 2011. Talagang hindi yan nagpapatalo sa kahit na anong larangan. She's really focused on the goal. Kaya niya iset aside yung emotions niya at mag-focus lang dun sa objective.
Tingin ko 3 strengths ni Angel is she has a growth mindset. She is always willing to learn. Biruin nyo from being a simple agent, then jump to inbound team leaders, and then to secured repo, which is a very different jungle. And then second, magaling si Angel sa communication. She communicate effectively. Kapag merong announcement or anything na strategy, as in makikita mo talagang detalye na hanggang sa mga agents niya, may ultimate field, nakakarating yan. Third is, tingin ko, she think like an owner. Habang kinakausap niya yung mismong mga kliyente natin, mga managers ng mga bangko, she always asks for opportunities. Hindi yan titigil, as in, baka bigyan nyo pa kami ng ganitong level, ganitong placement, other campaigns. Parang may-ari na yan mag-isip, as in.
And sa pagkakaalala ko, nung nag-start din siya as a team leader, 5 yung handle niya. Now, nasa 154 workforce na yung under her team. Alam ko rin, sa team niya, galing yung consistent na rank 1 sa CRC. This year, na out of the country because of the CRC top performers nung nakaraang taon, yun, may nakasama talaga under her team na coming from wala talaga sa ranking, naging top performer. So, tinuturuan niya sila, tinitrain niya sila, para ma-achieve nila yung mga goals nila, hindi lang sa company, target, pero yung sa life. Kasi marami na akong narinig under her team na mga nakapagpatayo ng bahay, nakabili ng lupa, nakapagpaaral ng mga kapatid. So,
I think kahit anong ipagawa mo kay Angel, she will deliver 100%. I believe she's doing it not just for the sake of doing, but I think it's her way of showing how great she is.